So you don't always need an expensive tool to carry out a soil sample on a sports turf surface. Today we've just got a little simple spade, nothing special about that. We're going to be doing exactly the same job as we'd be doing with a more expensive tool. The only difference is we won't be sending it off to our labs or anything like that today, but we'll be getting a similar amount of information from the sample. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the spade into the ground. We're going to take out a little square, pull it up and just have a look at that profile, have a look at the root depth, see what's in the profile, do we have any stones, any clippings or any issues, and then once we've got that information we can then record it and make any decisions based around maintenance off that data as well. We've just pulled this soil sample out with the spade, and immediately we can get some information from this sample. We can see it has quite a dark, rich colour to it, so we know there's a lot of nutrients available, we know there's a lot in the profile. We can also see it's not so sticky, there's not a lot of loam content there. It is a fairly sort of root zoney texture with that sort of 70-30 sort of profile. There's no stones, there's no chippings, and it seems like the roots are having quite a good time growing to a good depth there, so we can alleviate any sort of issues around compaction as well. It feels pretty soft, so that also confirms that. What we can do is use just a standard tape measure as well. We can rest that on the surface of the soil and we can measure down. So this will tell us not only the topsoil profile and how deep it is, but we can also use that measurement to measure how deep the roots have gone through that profile. We can go beyond that and go into the ground, the hole that we've dug, and sort of see if there's any issues further down, so we can have a little bit of a dig. There might be rocks, there might be a stone pan or anything like that, but that's just a real basic, simple way that you can identify some potential soil or ground issues within your turf surface.